Hello friends, my name is Shubham Singh. Again, welcome you in the Mark Mac channel. So today we are just talking about today is a interesting topic. Today we are talking about the new product development. That if you really want to develop a new product, so that what kind of thing you have to be applied in your product, so you easily execute yourself, accomplish yourself is in the market. So today I just make a video on it. Meanwhile, when firstly I just talk about that today I just write a one content on the MSME sector, that how the MSME sectors plays a very important role of in Indian economics. So you please read it out, and in this content I just describe about that there are the 50% of our economic was depend on our MSME sector. So you find out that what kind of weightage of that MSME sector is in our Indian economy. The one thing which I also be the more share on this particular in this particular thing in this particular content, that our 40 to 50% worker human resources, our work is in that only MSME sector. So you are just find out that nowadays that due to that COVID-19, all the manufacturing units, all this unit, all the organizations will be get shut. So you are just find out that how their workers will be get survive out. In fact, they not have the food to eat. Okay, so please try to get help them, and there are the many peoples who are still not have who was not is in the home actually. So they are find many difficulties. Our smaller businessmen, our smaller MSME sectors workers who are just work theirs are not get their salaries by their owners. So they are is in the big difficulty. So please try to get help them. There are the many things. If you are just find any persons who are have that kind of the who are that kind of the trouble, so you please try to get help them. So today we are just talking about the new product developments. New product development is play a very important roles in any organizations. If you are the manufacturer, so new product development is very important. Essentially the one video I made a one video at initially, and I just try to describe and evaluate that how the three things is to be work in the new product development: the introductory stage, maturity stage, and declining stage. These three things play a very important role while you have to be develop a new product. So these three stages is play a very important and the essential role. Okay, so today we are just talking that how the new product is be developed, because you know very well that it is very essential, or it is very important that we should always try to make a predetermined decisions that how we have to make a new things, how we make a new product. Okay, so it's a very important for us that we should always try to contemplate on these things. Okay, because due to that kind of new product development, you are get sorted out yourself from your rest of your competitor. So it's a very important for us that we should always try to think about it. Okay, so there is some needs of a new product development. The first need is that change the consumer demand. According to the time being, the consumer demand is to be the changed, meant they are not stable. Sometime the consumer needs will be the different with the different time. So it's a very important that we should understand that what the actually demand of the customer, what the actually need of the customer. Before launching any kind of the new product, it is very important for us that we should read the consumer behavior, because is in the marketing or is in the business, it is very important for us that we should try to understand that what is the consumer behavior. Without it, we are not able to get sorted ourselves from the rest of our competitions, as well as we are not able to accomplish ourselves in the market. So it's a very important for us that we should have to be work on it, and we are just trying to make the things happen. Okay, the secondary thing, it is the one of the most important thing as point of my concerns, making a new profit. Of course, while you have to be develop a new products, you are be try to find out that how you get the profit of that particular product. Suppose if you are have a new products, but your profit of margin, if you know that your competitor is to be theirs, it might be possible that you have to be the find some variations in your profit of margin. So it's a very important that we should always try to be decided out the price before making any new product. Okay, before making any predetermined decisions of new products, we also be try to be decided out that what kind of price is to be. So price factor is play also be a very important and the essentially role. Okay, and that is the reason that value have to be the find out when any products were be came in the introductory stage, or any company who are launched a new products, simultaneously they are very conscious about that what kind of price is to be, because it is very important in this competitive era that you should be uh, um, you should be you should be fixed your prices, because if there is in the variations in the prices, then only if there is a vast variations in your prices, then only the customer will buy your product. So it's a very important and the essential thing. Okay, so this is, you can should cap this thing in your mind while you have to view develop a new product. Actually, this is all these are be the strategies that how you have to be make the things, how you have to be develop without before developing any new products, you should be kept all these things. Okay, and there are the handling the environment threat. So what it means, handling the environment threat. The handling the environment threat means that while you have to be develop any new any new kind of the products, so it's a very important for us that we should know a Porter 5 force rule, Porter 5 force model. I just describe about the Porter 5 force model, that how you have to be get studied it out. Porter 5 force model is play a very important role. In the Porter 5 force model, you have to be get evaluated the new entrants, industry revival, substitute, new substitute, number of new entrants, number of exist, what kind of substitutes have. I make a one special video on the Porter 5 force model. So it is very important for us that before launching any kind of the products, we should be get well studied about the Porter 5 force model. So it's a very important and essential thing. Okay, so please try to make this thing that you should, before launching any kind of the product, you should be note down all these things and try to get apply in your business, because it is one of the most important part of your business. Okay, so it's a very important. Today I just talking about the behavior of the customer. Today I'm just talking I also today I articulated that what is the what is the how you how you also will try to be get find out that the environment, what kind of impact is in the market. Okay, what kind of substitutes we have, what kind of competitor we have is in the market. This thing is also be very important before launching any kind of the new products. Okay, so thanks for watching all these videos. If you like it, if you like this video, please like and try to get share it. It will be help a lot with a different type of our peoples, our especially it will be help for our MSME sector people. So thank you watching for guys. Thanks.